Start with number 1, wine tasting tours. With an abundance of vineyards, France is a wine lover's paradise. Capitalize on this by organizing unique wine tours, offering an experience that's both educational and enjoyable. Next up, consider becoming a language tutor. France is a magnet for people wanting to master the French language. Use your linguistic prowess to give lessons and earn a handsome income. Third, try your hand at being a personal chef. France's rich culinary culture provides a perfect platform to showcase your cooking skills. Prepare delectable meals and watch the euros roll in. Fourth, create artisanal crafts. Handmade products are highly valued in France. Turn your creativity into cash by selling unique crafts. Fifth, consider setting up a bed and breakfast. With so many tourists flocking to France, a charming B&B could be a lucrative venture. Sixth, become a tour guide. Offer your services to those eager to explore French culture and history. Seventh, try pet sitting. With a nation of animal lovers, pet sitting services are always in demand. Eighth, tap into photography. Capture France's breathtaking landscapes and sell your captivating shots. Ninth, consider bike rentals. With France's love for cycling, a bike rental business could be a hit. 10th, how about being a personal shopper? Use your fashion sense to help others navigate France's fashion-forward boutiques. 11th, try gardening services. With France's beautiful gardens, your green thumb could earn you a pretty penny. 12th, consider teaching yoga or Pilates. The French are big on wellness, and your fitness skills could be a money spinner. 13th, think about starting a bakery. France's love for bread and pastries could turn your baking skills into a profitable business. 14th, consider being a wedding planner. France's romantic settings make it a top wedding destination. 15th, try offering painting or drawing classes. With its artistic heritage, France is the perfect place to share your art skills. 16th, think about becoming a music teacher. With a deep appreciation for music, your musical expertise could be a valuable commodity. 17th, consider starting a food truck. French cuisine is world-renowned, and a food truck offering local dishes could be a hit. 18th, tap into the world of antique dealing. France is filled with vintage treasures waiting to be discovered. 19th, consider becoming a sommelier. With France's rich wine culture, your knowledge of wines could be a lucrative asset. And finally, 20th, think about becoming a freelance writer. With so much to write about in France, your words could be your wealth. That rounds up our list. From wine tasting tours to freelance writing, there's a myriad of innovative ways to make money in France. So, take a leap, try out these ideas, and who knows? You might just find yourself living the French dream while raking in the euros.